back to my channel. Today with Can you be normal?
Okay.
Okay. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be, we have a special guest in today's video. It's my sister Stacy. You're not cool. Yeah. She's visiting from Canada. She now lives in Canada. So today's video is my April BoxyCharm unboxing. I'm gonna do it with my sister. I'm gonna open each item, and I'm gonna have her guess the price of each item. And remember, the box alone is $21. So yeah. Do you want to say anything? Introduce yourself?
I didn't know I was guessing the prices. That's cool.
Well, it's easier than putting it on your face.
I'm Stacy, by the way, if she didn't introduce my name.
Yeah, she's adopted because she looks Asian.
Oh my gosh.
Just kidding. Okay, I don't know if I'm too far. I apologize for being so far. I also apologize for the environment. My sister wanted to be out.
Much better.
She wanted to be outside, so we were here looking ghetto in camping chairs. So sorry about that. I hope you still like this video. Okay, so you open it up. This one's theme is Peace, Love, Boxy. Don't look at the prices, cheater. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Ooh, I'm excited. This is what the box looks like. This is what it looks like. What do you want? I'll just pull this out first. Okay, so I'll read you the information and you'll guess the price. So this is the, where am I at? This is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. This all-natural, vegan, cruelty-free loose powder highlight can be used on the eyes, lips, face, and body. The versatile formula is highly pigmented and suitable for all skin tones. Create a subtle, luminous finish or a layer on for an unreal glow. Do you have? Maybe you should try the bottom first before I read the packaging.
I opened it for you. Made it easier.
So this is the packaging. I apologize. This color is Summer Haze, by the way. So it's a diamond glow powder. Don't open it yet because I don't want to have it falling everywhere. So how much do you think this costs? Have you ever heard of the brand?
Price?
Have you heard of that brand before or no?
No.
Side note, my sister's all natural, hippie vibes, so she's not really that into makeup. So it's a little bit harder for her. So take a guess on how much that is.
Artist Couture. Probably like 23.
23? 27.
Ah!
But that's good, you got it near there. Okay. So let me just put these, luckily I have little holes. Okay. Now this I've never heard of. This is a Steve Laurent. Just says champagne. So I have this. What is this? Okay. Ooh, a lip gloss. Steve Laurent lip gloss. 1 part balm and 3 parts silk. This Steve Laurent gloss is never leaving your favorite purse. Formulated with a cream lip softening texture, this one-of-a-kind hybrid gel and oil with moisture and hydrate. Will moisturize and hydrate your lips with just one swipe.
Whoa.
That's pretty. I did have a few previews and sneak peeks, but from everything I saw, I didn't know we were gonna get that one. This lip gloss. Does it smell? Ooh, it smells good. It has kind of a, it's like a mauve color with a little bit of glitter in it. So, what do you think? How much do you think this one cost? I've never heard this brand.
19.
19? Let's see. This one, I'm all upside down. This one's $22. So, 27 and 22. What's that? 49? Got it right? Okay. So, again, box is $21, guys. We're at $49 with 2 products. Next one is the Beauty for Real. It just says Beauty for Real. So, this is a Beauty for Real Finish Line Liquid Eyeliner. Finish Line 24/7 Liquid Eyeliner is a mistake-proof pen that creates a clean line in one sweep. The tampered precision brush makes it easy to apply pressure. Deep color from thick to thin, while intensely pigmented formula makes it for 24-hour smudge and budge resistant wear. Repeat, 24-hour smudge and budge resistant wear.
Can I open it?
If you want to. So they're claiming this eyeliner is 24 hours resistant. Like it can last 24 hours. What does it look like? It looks so like deep in there. So what do you think the price of this one is?
Beauty for real?
I've never heard of that one either.
18.
18? 16? You're pretty close. Okay, next, what is it, that word right before last?
Last but not least.
Last but not least, we have Luxie, my favorite brand. The Summer Days 3-piece brush set. This Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set was curated for the perfect festival look that will last all day. Use the Luxie 512 small contouring brush. You want to pull that one out? 512. That must be the small one.
Ooh, they have like an ombre.
So, which one's 512?
This big one.
So this one right here, this is the 512 small contouring brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones with the so just your cheekbones with the 245 small shader brush. 245?
245 is this
That's
one.
so small. Okay, 245 small shader brush to pat on your base, shadow, and glitter. Grab the Luxie 209 large shader brush to pat on and blend out any eye look. So you get 3 brushes from the Luxie brand. What's the price?
23.
So you can put it back in the bag. They're cute. I like them.
Can I have one?
Excuse me. Get your own boxy charm.
I like another one.
So this retails for $28. So what's the price now? Over 60. Over obviously over 60. We'll add the total then. So the last but not least is, excuse me, give me a second. Little eager over there. This is a Pure Festival palette.
Ooh.
Have you heard of the brand Pure?
No.
So this is the packaging. And then I'm scared I don't trust you opening it. You might drop it. Okay. I got it. And you can't open packages anyway, apparently. The box you couldn't even open. Ooh. So this is what came out. This is Pure Gator Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer.
Oh, let's see.
This is mine. I'm just letting you know.
I throw that in there so you can get excited about it.
That was like cool. We don't usually do that. So this is a Pure Festival. And this is what it looks like.
Oy.
This is the palette. I'm like, does it smell good?
You have one that has this.
Yeah. So, I don't know if you noticed, on the corner, can I say that again? On the corner, these two are pressed glitters. So they're actual glitter, but pressed. So that's really cool. So it comes with, let me read the description. So that there is the Pure the Complexion Authority Festival Palette. Unleash the ultimate festival vibes with this limited edition 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold, imaginative pigments that elevate your look for any occasion. From boho-inspired metallics to eye-catching glitters, each cruelty-free shade is infused with skin-loving ingredients. What's the price for that palette? Do you know Pure Cosmetics or you don't know?
33.
You're good at this. She's good at this. 36. You're good. Cool. So, yeah. What's the total? Do you have your phone? You have your phone on you?
Nope.
Well, that sucks. Well, anyway, I'll add the total for the value of the box right here. Okay, this doesn't fit in there anymore. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that is my April BoxyCharm. Feet my sister. I've teamed my sister. Okay, I'm gonna put that right there. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. Again, apologize for the scenery.
No need to apologize. The sun is setting.
Anyway, yeah. But if you enjoyed this video, if you like seeing my sister, give it a thumbs up. And you may or may not already know, I promised you guys a giveaway. So, based off who my subscribers are, public subscribers, which are not very many, and who's following me on Instagram, I chose one winner that qualified for both. And the winner is...
Drumroll.
Yvonne Cortez. Hi Yvonne, I miss you. But yeah, so I will most likely DM you Friday to like give you more information about your prize. I want to thank each and every one of you for being a subscriber and being so loyal, your comments, your likes. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So thank you so much for watching. So yeah, if you guys have any comments or questions for my sister or me, just comment down below. Do you have any comments?
Peace out. I can have more glow.
Okay, it's recording. I'm checking the lighting to see how we look like.
It's recording.
No.
You got that on camera.
It's called editing.
If you show that, then you have 1,000 viewers.